Hi guys, George here. We got a new project which take about 5 days. What we do, dashboard repair replacement with original new leather for Porsches. Also replaced convertible top with original Porsche new parts. And we repair frame for convertible top. The 2016 Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible is a high-performance, luxury sports car that offers thrilling driving dynamics and premium design. Fabric roof that can open or close in around 13 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The 2016-911 Turbo Convertible is known for its remarkable combination of comfort and performance. It offers sharp handling, precise steering, and a comfortable ride even at high speeds. With the convertible top down, it enhances the open-air driving experience without sacrificing performance. Here is time frame when we changed convertible parts. Also on the video you can see 2009 Porsche 911 convertible with replacement to seats with optional Porsche leather. This model is part of the iconic Porsche 911 lineage, renowned for its blend of practicality, luxury, and all-out performance. The car is ready for delivery to customer. Would you like to know more specific details like pricing, customization options? Call me to direct line at 310-435-8417.